Have you ever paused to consider the silent battle waged every day in the air we breathe? A battle not of epic proportions, but of microscopic ones, where the stakes are the very air that fills our lungs, crucial for transporting oxygen to every cell, tissue, gland, and organ in our bodies to keep them thriving. Yet this life-giving air is also a battlefield, laden with bacteria, viruses, pollutants, and everyday toxins from activities as mundane as cleaning our homes. These unseen invaders can compromise our respiratory health, leading to a cascade of problems. But fear not, for there exists a natural ally in this fight, an herb celebrated since ancient times for its potent healing properties, oregano. Let us embark on a journey together, tracing the path of a breath of air from the moment it enters our nostrils, swirling down into the depths of our lungs. Picture this invisible river of air, meandering through our respiratory tract, a highway bustling with traffic. Now imagine this highway getting congested with unwanted guests, dust, pollen, mold, chemicals, and pathogens. The body's response is immediate and intense. It secretes histamine, leading to swelling in the face, sinuses, throat, and lungs, a defense mechanism that, while well-intentioned, often feels like an overreaction, leaving us struggling for air amidst a sea of mucus and congestion. But amidst this chaos, oregano emerges as a beacon of hope. This humble herb, often relegated to the status of a mere culinary spice, is armed with an arsenal of compounds such as carvacrol and terpenes. These natural warriors work tirelessly to cleanse the lungs, reducing inflammation and congestion and improving airflow, allowing us to breathe a little easier. As we delve deeper into the heart of oregano's magic, we uncover its ability to act as a natural antihistamine, counteracting the body's reaction by reducing fluid buildup and swelling during an allergy attack. It's akin to a peacekeeper in the midst of a riot, calming and restoring order, making it an invaluable ally during those times when the coughing reflex seems relentless, promising the gift of a peaceful night's sleep to facilitate the body's natural repair and healing processes. Now let us explore the many ways in which we can harness the power of oregano. Picture a kitchen, the heart of a home, where the air is fragrant with the aroma of cooking. Here, organic dry leaf oregano can be sprinkled over dishes, infusing them with its health-giving properties. Or imagine a garden, where fresh organic oregano grows, its leaves brimming with minerals, vitamins, phytonutrients, and enzymes ready to be added to salads, soups, or any dish of your liking. For those seeking convenience without compromising on benefits, oregano tea offers a simple yet effective remedy, easily integrated into daily routines. But for those in search of a more potent solution, oil of wild oregano stands as a powerful concentrate, just a drop or two under the tongue or mixed into water, delivering a potent dose of healing directly into the bloodstream. Venturing beyond ingestion, oregano oil can also be used in aromatherapy. Imagine standing over a pot of boiling water, drops of oregano oil mingling with the steam, a towel draped over your head to capture the therapeutic vapors. As you breathe in, the sinuses open, the chest loosens, and the lungs cleanse, a testament to the herb's versatility and power. In closing, let us acknowledge the wisdom of integrating natural remedies like oregano into our lives, not just as a reactive measure, but as a proactive step towards maintaining the health of our lungs and, by extension, our entire body. Clean lungs are the foundation of a healthy body, capable of delivering oxygen efficiently to every cell in need. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.